Welcome back, adventurers. Those clouds don't look good. We might be in for some serious weather today.
We need shelter now. That ridge over there, it is our best bet.
This overhang will work. We can build walls here.
Great work, everyone. These walls will keep the rain out. Now we need to think about staying warm.
Look at us at water, fire, shelter. We're actually doing this.
Hold steady, everyone. Our shelter's holding. We built it right. We did it. We actually survived that storm. Look at what we built together. Sometimes the biggest storms teach us the most about friendship and working together. We'll see you next time, adventurers.